Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the colorful world of origami to make a stunning origami parrot. Whether you're a seasoned folder or just starting out, this video is perfect for you. So grab your paper and let's get folding. Step 1. First things first, take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Make sure the edges align perfectly. Crease it well and then unfold it. Step 2. Now take the two sides and fold them into the center crease. You should have a long, skinny rectangle. Crease it firmly. Step 3. Flip your paper over and fold the bottom edge up. This will be the base of your parrot. Crease it well so that it holds its shape. Step 4. Grab another piece of paper and repeat steps 1 through 3. Now we need to connect these two pieces together. Line them up and attach them at the edges. This will form the body of your parrot. Step 5. Now we're going to make a small square shape. Fold the top and bottom edges of your paper toward the center. Crease well and unfold. Step 6. Next, fold your paper into a diamond shape by bringing the corners to the center. Crease it sharply. Step 7. Unfold your paper and fold it according to the diamond shape you created. This will help in shaping the body of your parrot. Step 8. It's time to create the wings. Fold each side to form the wings of your parrot. Make sure they're even so your parrot looks balanced. Step 9. Let's move on to the legs. Fold the bottom of your paper to create the legs and feet. The parrot will need a sturdy base to stand. Step 10. Finally, shape the head of your parrot. Fold the top of the paper into a small triangle to form the beak. Adjust as needed to get that perfect parrot look. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your very own origami parrot is ready to show off. Thanks for following along. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more origami fun. Tip of the day, a quick tip for perfect folds. Use a ruler or the edge of a credit card to press down on your creases. This will give you sharp, clean lines and make your folds look neat and precise. Thanks for watching and happy folding. I hope this fits your needs.